Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Natage at Una. I am taking SS. Today I am taking 7th Standard SS, chapter number 5, Location and Time. Previous class in 6th Standard you was learn you learn about the globe. So I will given the small introduction about this lesson first. What are these vertical and the horizontal line on the globe of earth? So latitude and longitude, two lines are there, that is an imaginary line. Okay, latitude are the horizontal lines, imaginary line drawn on the globe in the east to west direction. I will show you. These lines are imaginary lines onto the globe. Imaginary line means it's in our thinking, it's not a real lines are situated there. So these lines are called latitude. Okay, these lines are called latitude. Drawing to the east to west, the lines are going in east to west, it's a latitude. Line drawn to the surface of the earth. The horizontal line is called latitude, and the vertical lines means are these type of the lines, that's also imaginary line, not actually have to draw. Okay, imaginary line, that's called a longitude. Okay, and what are the degrees of the latitude and the longitude? They have to be start from the 0 degree, 0, and this is a 23.5, 66.5, and upper is a 90 degree. Down also in the 90 degree, here is a 23.5 and 65.5. So this one was started from the 90 degree. It's longitude, and here have to be a degree by the 15, 30, 45. Total of this is a 360 degrees. Okay, is a latitude. Okay, and longitude is a 90 degree. So let's start the lesson. Okay, beta. Among the longitude are the vertical imaginary line drawing to the globe of north to south. Okay, among the uncountable stars in the skies, there are too much stars are there. Uncountable. Countable means those we will be count, and uncountable is not possible we are counting. So lots of stars in the sky. There is a one bright stars usually seen in the north, called the north pole star. Okay, those we have to see in the north side. One star is always located is a north pole. The 0 degree latitude which pass through the Greenwich in England. Okay, it's called a primary meridian. Greenland is here. Okay, so that is a prime meridian. It divided the earth in two parts: eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. There is only 180 latitude, which is known as an international deadline. Uh, the biggest time clock onto the star is the sun. Okay, beta, because we can know about the sun what the time will be past there. Now lesson will start. Measure the angle of different place in the classroom with the help of the protector, pencil, and the paper. Draw a circle on the paper and write down the angle of the circle at 10, 90, 30, and 60 degree. Here, uh, from the protector, we make a 0 degree. That is a look like a globe. Here, from the 0 degree, and this is a 30 degree. This is a 60. Okay, and last is a 90 degree. We make the one angle. Okay, latitude is an angle which range from 0 at the equator, that is a 0 will start at the, this line is the equator. Okay, equator to 90 north, equator to 90 north is or south. कहाँ तो हम नॉर्थ में ले सकते हैं, कहाँ तो हम साउथ में ले सकते हैं. ओके, एट द पोल्स lines of the latitude run east to west. uh, Start is the east to west. The circle will be a parallel of the equator. ये जो लाइन है जो दो दो चीज़ में डिवाइडेड करती है ग्लोब को, इस कॉल्ड अ इक्वेटर. This is equator. Sorry, this is a equator. Equator. This is a tropic of Cancer. This line is a tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay. This is about the 23 to 53 55. Okay. This is a 23 to 55. This is a 66.5. Sorry, I will clean and again I will draw. This is a equator. This is a tropic of Cancer. Okay, 23.5. Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn, 23.5. This is a freeze zone. Freeze zone. This is a freeze zone. Here is a temperate zone. Here is a temperate zone. So this globe you will be knowing the knowledge in the sixth standard. Possibility you can understood. Okay. Draw a circle and make a line of a latitude with the help of the map. Mention the various countries through which that the latitude pass. Draw latitude 23.5 on north and south. That means here is asking 23.5 latitude in north and 23.5 in south. You will be a draw. Okay, and write the name of the country which is the pass through there. Okay, draw the 23.5 north and the south and write the name of the countries through which they are passed. So we have to say in the north, if the 23 of in the north, if the 23 point north, which countries are there? So USA, Russia, Norway, England is a north part of that countries. Those who are past the 23.5 latitude. If we have to say the 23.5 in the south latitude to pass through by the Brazil in the south way. Okay, beta. So equator is a middle latitude or the zero latitude which divided the earth into north and the south hemisphere. It's a equator is a through the north hemisphere and south hemisphere. North hemisphere and south hemisphere have to divide it into the middle part. The part of the earth that lying to the north of the zero equator, means in the middle equator is there 0 degree, is called a north hemisphere, and the part that lying is the south is known as a south hemisphere. Means the upper part have to told the north hemisphere. 0 डिग्री से जो ऊपर का पार्ट है वो नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर बोला गया और नीचे का जो पार्ट है वो साउथ हेमिस्फीयर बोला गया. ओके. How many pass through our village or a city? How can we find out? हमारे कौन कौन सी cities and जाती है ahead पे से, मीन्स अ लाइन पे से. वी हैव टू बी given the name of that. Maybe a possible if we say Mumbai, so that is ahead, they have to be a passed on. Okay, so these are the cities have to be on to latitude pass through it. Here is one experiment is there. Among the countable stars in the sky, uncountable stars are there. Okay, There is a one bright star usually see in the north is called a pole star. I was told only one pole star are situated. We see at the easily at the night into the sky. Take a big protector. One want to be a draw. Okay, make a hole in the center. Take a protector and make the hole in the center and tie the thread. Hang a nail from it as shown in the picture using the glow stick in the lid or an unused ball pen on it. Take it a place from where do we see the night sky clearly. Take it to the terrace and view to the north star through the cap of the pen. Okay, as you adjust to be a view to the star, the angle at which the nail stop in the latitude or your city, find out the latitude. Okay, here the questions are there. So questions are there, look at the moon and write the angle. If you make these things, afterwards you will be solve these questions. So look at the moon and write the angles. So the north star sorry, this question created many questions, such as the moon should be seen on which day. तुम कब देख रही, because moon is not every time the moon is one situated, because the new moon, mid moon, every time the moon's size and um, size are changed. Okay, so it's depended on which date, which tithi is there. Okay, at what the time you will be see, from which angle you see. Lots of questions are coming for these questions. From which direction moon should be a seen. So this question is irrelevant. Okay beta, now the look at the north star and write the angle. So the north star is at and the angle of 67 degree when view from the Ahmedabad horizon. Agar we have to be see from the Ahmedabad horizon, it's a 67 degree will be a came. Okay, look at the other star and planet that you known at the right their name. So stars are, lots of stars are there, but few we will be a right names are there. Greek beer means Saptarshi, Sharmistha and Yayati. They are the stars are there. But if you say the seeing the planets, which planets are there? So Mars, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, etc. will be a there. Okay, the name of the few countries are mentioned below. In which direction do we lie from the zero latitude, north or south? Okay, 0 degree latitude, north and south, which are there, taken in the atlas and the globe. You have to take the atlas and globe and located this country's name. Then means a Kenya. So Kenya is in the around. Okay, another name is a Mongolia. Mongolia. Mongolia is a north में है. Okay बेटा. Chile is in the south. South Africa also south. Egypt north side. Okay. Russia north side and Canada also north side. If we have to say the questions, we thinking in our mind, in the 0 degree, which countries are through past the 0 degree latitude. So there are the Bronia, Indonesia, Somalia, Kenya, Agenda, Zaria. They are the there. Brazil, Colombia, Equators are they are the throw pass from the 0 degree latitude. If we say 23.5 north latitude, which countries are past there? So 23.5 in the north side, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Saudi Arabia. In Asia's are there. Okay beta, Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Mala. These countries are through to 23.9 north hemisphere. If 23.5 in the south hemisphere, which countries are located? So South Africa, Botswana, Brazil, Pragia, Argentina, Chile, South America, Australia, that the through by the 23.5 south hemisphere. Okay, so these countries have to be a given the this is we have to taken the globe, otherwise map, and we have to find in 23.3 23.5 which north side of the countries and south side of the countries we have to taken from the globe, and it's a one taken the information from the globe. GPS, mobile phone, and Google. What the means of the GPS, mobile, and Google's? What you are using? Okay, things is no GPS, mobile phones, and Google's. Easily we have to be taken the contact from our country, our location, our village, from which latitude is passed through of this. So exact latitude and the longitude of the place can be known help the with the help of the globe positioning system in the phone and the satellite in space. Using the internet, you can get information about the latitude and the longitude of your village or a city by the simply click on the my location option in your phone, and coming the location which longitude and latitude your village or city will be situated. Okay, longitude and the longitudinal coordinate of a place. The vertical imaginary line drawn on the globe that run in the north to south direction are known as a longitude. I was told first up to down imaginary line is a longitude. Okay, so find the following in the map. Through which country does the 0 degree latitude pass? Okay, from the map. From the map, 0 degree from the 0 degree. Okay, from the 0 degree latitude will be a pass. We will be a showing. Okay. First question: through which country does the 0 degree longitude pass? 0 degree longitude pass means from where? Okay. So which are there? 0 degree through the United Kingdom, England. Okay, United Kingdom means England. Otherwise, France, Spain, uh, Algeria, Mala, Burkina Faso, Togo, and Ghana. There was a country passed from the 0 degree longitude. Okay, how many longitude are the present in the eastern and the western hemisphere representative? So they are the 180-degree longitude is the eastern and the 180 longitude into the western. They are the total of 360-degree longitudes are there. That means here is a these lines of sorry, from this 180-degree lines are there, and here also 180 eastern side and western side. Okay, so total of these 360-degree longitudes are situated there. Okay beta, so we will finish our chapter here. In the next lecture we will be second part we will explain the half chapter. Okay, so be stay at your home, be happy and enjoy your life, and start to the study.